Even though I was born in Yemen, I was of Somali heritage and was always treated as a foreigner. It made me want to volunteer to help refugees. But soon, the same kids who had bullied me became refugees themselves. I left with my family, boarding a boat for 3 nights that was built for 40 but carried 350. I just worked in a cafe with my father, and that's where I met my husband. He came in for an Americano and left with my heart.
After 25 years in Finland, I decided to return home. I opened a dialysis clinic that serves my whole country and region. Some of my generation still don't feel they belong in Europe and want to return home.
Life in my village was getting critically hard, so we left. Then one night, my eldest son disappeared. A smartphone is why he left. His friends in Europe sent beautiful pictures. I'm glad I don't own a smartphone. If I did, the Libyan kidnappers who took my son would send videos of them hurting him. I could not live seeing that.
As a single mom, I struggled to bring up my kids, and being a minority wasn't easy. So I decided to return to my motherland. There are many reasons migrants move, and many different destinations worldwide. Migration is not a problem unless it is unsafe or forced. In fact, human movement has occurred throughout history, showing our determination to thrive. To find out more about innovative research in migration and displacement studies, and to learn how this animation was produced, visit our website. You can also join the conversation on Twitter.